Lesson: Cyber Defense Mechanisms. Cyber defense mechanisms are essential in protecting information systems and networks from increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. These mechanisms encompass a range of strategies, tools, and practices designed to detect, prevent, and respond to cyber attacks. The integration of artificial intelligence has significantly enhanced the effectiveness of these mechanisms by enabling faster detection and more accurate responses. This lesson will explore the fundamental components of cyber defense mechanisms, emphasizing the importance of AI in enhancing cybersecurity. One of the primary components of cyber defense is intrusion detection systems. IDS are critical for monitoring network traffic and identifying potential threats. Traditional IDS rely on signature-based detection, which compares incoming data against a database of known threat signatures. However, this approach has limitations, particularly when dealing with zero-day attacks, which exploit previously unknown vulnerabilities. AI-driven IDS have addressed these limitations by employing machine learning algorithms to identify anomalous behavior that may indicate a cyber attack. For instance, deep learning models can analyze vast amounts of network traffic data to detect patterns that deviate from the norm, thereby identifying potential threats in real time. Another crucial aspect of cyber defense is the implementation of firewalls. Firewalls act as barriers between internal networks and external threats, controlling the flow of incoming and outgoing traffic based on predetermined security rules. While traditional firewalls rely on static rules, AI-enhanced firewalls leverage machine learning to dynamically adjust security policies based on evolving threat landscapes. This adaptive approach allows for more effective filtering of malicious traffic and reduces the risk of false positives. For example, AI algorithms can continuously learn from new threat data, enabling firewalls to recognize and block emerging threats without manual intervention. Endpoint protection is another vital component of cyber defense. Endpoints such as computers, mobile devices, and servers are often targets for cyber attacks. Endpoint protection platforms integrate various security measures to safeguard these devices from malware, ransomware, and other threats. Traditional EPP solutions rely on signature-based detection, which can be bypassed by sophisticated malware. AI-driven endpoint protection, on the other hand, utilizes behavioral analysis to detect and mitigate threats. Machine learning models can identify unusual behavior on endpoints, such as unauthorized access attempts or abnormal file modifications, and take appropriate action to prevent an attack. Network segmentation is a strategy used to limit the spread of cyber attacks within an organization. By dividing a network into smaller, isolated segments, organizations can contain potential breaches and minimize the impact of an attack. AI can enhance network segmentation by automating the process of identifying and categorizing network traffic. Machine learning algorithms can analyze traffic patterns to determine which devices and systems should be grouped together, ensuring that sensitive data is isolated from less secure parts of the network. This automated approach not only improves security, but also reduces the administrative burden associated with manual network segmentation. Incident response is a critical component of cyber defense. When a cyber attack occurs, organizations must respond quickly and effectively to minimize damage. AI can significantly enhance incident response by automating the detection and analysis of security incidents. For example, machine learning models can process large volumes of security logs to identify indicators of compromise, such as unusual login attempts or data exfiltration. AI-driven incident response systems can also prioritize alerts based on the severity of the threat, enabling security teams to focus on the most critical issues. Additionally, AI can assist in the remediation process by recommending actions to contain and eliminate threats. Threat intelligence is another essential element of cyber defense. Threat intelligence involves collecting and analyzing data on potential threats to an organization's information systems. AI can enhance threat intelligence by automating the collection and analysis of threat data from various sources, such as social media, dark web forums, and threat databases. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and trends in this data, providing valuable insights into emerging threats. For example, AI can detect the early stages of a phishing campaign by analyzing email metadata and identifying suspicious patterns. This proactive approach allows organizations to take preventive measures before an attack occurs. Vulnerability management is the process of identifying, assessing, and mitigating vulnerabilities in an organization's information systems. AI can improve vulnerability management by automating the scanning and assessment of systems for potential weaknesses. Machine learning models can analyze system configurations, software versions, and patch histories to identify vulnerabilities that may be exploited by attackers. AI can also prioritize vulnerabilities based on factors such as the severity of the potential impact and the likelihood of exploitation, enabling organizations to address the most critical issues first. This automated approach not only increases the efficiency of vulnerability management, but also reduces the risk of human error. User education and awareness are fundamental to an effective cyber defense strategy. Human error is a significant factor in many cyber attacks, with phishing and social engineering being common tactics used by attackers. AI can enhance user education by providing personalized training programs based on individual risk profiles. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze user behavior to identify those who are more susceptible to phishing attacks and provide targeted training to improve their awareness. AI can also simulate phishing attacks to test users' responses and reinforce training. This tailored approach ensures that users are better equipped to recognize and respond to potential threats. Encryption is a critical technique for protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access. By converting data into a coded format, encryption ensures that only authorized parties can access the information. AI can enhance encryption by automating the management of encryption keys and ensuring that data is encrypted at all stages of its lifecycle. Machine learning algorithms can also detect patterns that may indicate attempts to bypass encryption, such as unusual access requests or data transfers. This proactive approach helps to ensure that sensitive data remains secure, even in the face of advanced threats. In conclusion, cyber defense mechanisms are essential for protecting information systems and networks from a wide range of cyber threats. The integration of AI has significantly enhanced the effectiveness of these mechanisms by enabling faster detection, more accurate responses, and proactive threat prevention. AI-driven intrusion detection systems, adaptive firewalls, behavioral endpoint protection, automated network segmentation, AI-enhanced incident response, advanced threat intelligence, automated vulnerability management, personalized user education, and enhanced encryption are all critical components of a robust cyber defense strategy. By leveraging AI, organizations can stay ahead of emerging threats and ensure the security of their information systems.